Have you ever seen something impossible become possible? Today we're going to learn about an amazing miracle of Prophet Isa, peace be upon him. When Prophet Isa was young, he loved to play with clay. One day he shaped the clay into a beautiful bird. His friends gathered around to see what he had made. The clay bird looked so real. It had wings, a beak, and tiny feet, but it was still just clay. It couldn't move or fly. Then, with Allah's permission, something magical happened. Prophet Isa breathed gently on the clay bird, and it came to life. The bird flapped its wings and began to chirp. The children watched in wonder as the bird flew up into the bright blue sky. It soared higher and higher, free and alive. This was a miracle from Allah. This miracle showed everyone that Allah has power over all things. He can make the impossible possible. Prophet Isa performed this miracle to teach people about Allah's greatness. Remember, Allah loves us and can do anything. If you enjoyed this story, ask your parents to subscribe for more amazing stories about the prophets.